So in this drawing by Agnolo Bronzino, we'll be studying the muscles of the posterior aspect. As a student of drawing and anatomy, you will soon discover that curiosity can be one of your greatest assets. Observation, continually reinforcing by questioning shapes, sizes, directions, and relationships of forms, will rapidly advance your knowledge and skills. The curve of the vertebral column, number 1, suggests the slight rotation and lateral inclination of the thorax. The sacral dimples, graded in value from dark on the right, number 2, to almost imperceptible on the left, number 3, marks the bottom of the vertebral column, the back point of the iliac crest of the pelvis, and the top of the equilateral triangle of the sacrum. The greater width of the female pelvis, together with her tendency to fatty deposits, contributes to the greater width in the average woman at a point, number 4, below the level of the great trochanter, number 5. In a man, this point tends to be higher and about the level of the tensor muscle, number 6. Could it be that Bronzino's wavering line in this area was intended to make this adjustment? The outline of the thighs depends on the shape of the vastus externus, number 7, on the outside, and on the inside on the shape of the gracilis, number 8, above, and the sartorius, number 9, below. The mass of the hamstring group, number 10, fills out the back of the thigh down to the knee joint. To avoid a static, equilateral, light shape on the gluteus maximus, number 11, Bronzino extended the light area to include the gluteus medius, number 12, placing the shading of the plane break along the edge of both masses. The observant artist knows that the gluteal fold, number 13, at the base of the gluteus maximus is more pronounced in the standing leg than the bent one. He can then utilize this crease to suggest the contour and direction of the lower buttocks and thigh. He also knows, as Bronzino has shown here, that with the flexion of the leg, the depth of the fold increases and its direction becomes more oblique. Number 14.